guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is not soup, don't worry, but it is a stir fry. It is bitter gourd stir fry with tempeh and shrimps. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Half your bitter gourd, and we're gonna remove the seeds, and then we're gonna slice them thinly. So these are 2 bitter gourds. One package has 2 bitter gourds, so we're just gonna use 2 bitter gourds, but of course you can use 4 if you want, and this should be enough for 2 adults and more, because my husband is in keto diet, so he doesn't really eat any carbs, low carbs, but this dish is very good with warm rice, but he wants to eat it just as is with the stir fry itself. So if you are serving it with rice, these 2 bitter gourds should be enough for 2 to 3 servings or 3 persons, but if it's without rice it should be enough for 2 person only. In all honesty, I can even finish them myself. I'm that piggy. But I love bitter gourd. Stir fry bitter gourd with shrimps. Slice it thinly, almost like paper thin. If you are serving it with rice, I like them a bit thicker, but this is without rice, so pepper thin is what you want. Again, usually when I prepare this bitter gourd, I will squeeze and soak them with salt. That's to help eliminate the bitterness slightly, but this time I'm not gonna do that because my husband's requested totally bitter gourd stir fry. And I have 1 block of tempeh here. I didn't make this one, obviously, so this is about 227 grams. We're just gonna slice it into cubes like so. And now also we're gonna rinse our sliced bitter gourd with 300 grams of raw shrimps. So just give a quick rinse. So heat about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and then we're just gonna stir fry our 1/4 cup of onion, diced onion. It's frozen, the one that I prepared the other day, and then 6 whole red bird eye chilies. You can slice them, of course, but I want to leave them whole, so we're just gonna melt this butter and then kind of stir fry the onion and the chili until a bit fragrant. Now add in your quickly rinsed bitter gourd and shrimp. Again, the shrimp wasn't squeezed with salt, so it's just water. We're gonna add our cube tempeh right away, so it will get the bitter taste from the gourd as well. That's how my husband requests for it. Do not squeeze the bitter gourd with salt because he wants it bitter instead a tad bitter. And then into the pan we're gonna add a handful, well, not 2 handful, but enough of fried garlic. And then a little bit of liquid smoke and some soy sauce. But this is the kicker, hot sauce by Stargazer. This is so good, so hot and so tasty. Yum yum. Adjust the flavor to your liking. Forgetting some Vegeta. a quarter cup of water. Also some chives, a generous pinch of onion powder and garlic powder, and your veggies done. If you want much softer veggies, cook it a little bit longer, adding a little water as needed, but we like it somewhat crunchy.